Hi, once again, thank you for clicking on this video and welcome to my YouTube channel. And as you've all already read the title of this video, this is a demo of a product I created using Unity's game engine for students to learn English, particularly basic vocabulary, in a fun way where I implement a surprise. So without further ado, let's start off the video and start the demo, shall we? So to start off the product, we click on the icon as how we click on start a normal application, a Windows application, by double clicking the icon, which is here. The product name is Fun Vocabulary, sorry. So we double click on it and we'll be greeted with the splash screen. Ben Collin, that is my logo, and made with Unity. So here, as you can see, is the home screen. So there are two buttons: the start button, obviously to start the game, and the quit button, and again to quit the application. To demo how to quit, you click on quit, so you quit the game. So let's start the game once again. Again, the splash screen with my logo and made with Unity. So if you notice here on the lower left corner of the screen, there's this sprite saying get 100 marks to play with me. So what does this really mean? To know, let's go further into the product and we'll see what this actually means. So start off, we click on the start button and we'll be greeted into the theme selection screen. So students can choose either from either three theme, which is Mother Nature, Animal Planet, and also things around me. So this is the general design of the screen here. And here's the home button if let's say you want to go back to the home screen. So let's demo that. See? So let's get back to the theme selection. So to start off, let's start choosing one theme. So for this, I want to try the Animal Planet. So when you click on this theme, you are greeted with the this screen right here. So you click on continue to continue with the exercise, and you click on this button, the back button, to go back to the theme selection. So see? So let's actually start doing the exercises, shall we? So let's click on this, click on continue.
This is a cat. Which word spells cat?
So as you can see, as we start the exercise, we will be greeted with a voice which reads the sentence. It's actually my voice. So then from this, we are greeted with three buttons, which is KAT, CHAT, CAT. On this screen, for each question, the student needs to choose which spelling is correct for the word that has been given, which is, for in this case, a cat. So again, the back button to go back to the previous screen. So let's click on cat, which is the right spelling for the word cat. And we'll be greeted with the screen. As you can listen just now, as you heard just now, there's this audio of me saying excellent as a response and feedback for the students that they clicked on the right word. And also for a visual response, the students will be greeted with this screen right there, which says correct and also excellent. So again, we can click on continue to continue with the next question.
This is a dog. Which word spells dog?
So the concept is the same. The question starts off with me reading out the sentence and a screen that shows an incomplete sentence. So in this case, a dog. So the students need to choose which word is actually spelled correctly for the particular item or object or thing that is being shown here on the screen, which is a dog. So I've demoed if we selected the correct answer, but let me show you what if when the students click on the wrong word. Let's click on DAWG instead of DOG.
Try again.
And the students will be greeted with this screen, the incorrect screen, and gives them another audio response which tells the students to try again. So click on continue to continue on the
This
next
is
question.
a fish. Which word spells fish?
So at this stage by now, everything is self-explanatory and the concept is the same for all the questions. So let's just continue on with finishing all the questions.
You're amazing.
Continue.
This is a genius.
Okay, and when the student finishes all the questions, we'll be greeted with the score screen, which tells how many questions did the students get answered correctly, and how many questions did the students answered wrong. And here, it will also indicate the total marks that the student has obtained from doing the exercise. Here is the button for the student to click to go to the next theme. And again, here is the button for the student to go back to the home screen. But if you notice here, there's this blue sprite again, but this time it says, try again, but. That's the surprise there. So to show you the surprise or the implementation of the fun element that I have implemented for this product, let's redo the exercise. So first, let's go back to the home screen. Okay, again, remember here, it says get 100 marks to play with me. So just now, we actually obtained 80 instead of 100. So let's look and see what if we get 100 marks on the exercise.
This is
Okay,
a cat.
I'm just going to speed
Which
through
word
this because it
spells
takes quite a
cat?
while.
This is
Okay, dog,
This is
fish,
This is
lion,
This is
shark, and we'll be greeted into the score screen. Okay, again, it shows the results, how many I got correct. For this, we got 5 correct, 0 wrong, and the total marks is 100. But if you notice, the blue sprite has changed its dialogue, and it says here, click on me for a quick fun test. So let's click on the sprite, and we'll be greeted into this instruction screen. So use WASD keys to move, or you can actually use the arrow keys, spacebar to jump, and avoid wrong words and traps. So let's continue, shall we? I think everyone is a bit curious of what I'm going to show. So let's click on continue, and we'll be greeted into this 2D platform game. So the concept of this game is similar to a game that we all, I think, are familiar with, such as Super Mario Brothers. Super Mario Brothers by Nintendo. So here there are cherries for the player to collect, which is a collectible, and there's 2 words. If you can see, there is a cat, C-A-T, cat, and K-A-T. If you remember, these words are actually from the exercise that we have done earlier. So, like the instructions had mentioned before, you have to choose the right words and avoid the wrong words. So, if we hit on the right words, let's say cat, C-A-T, the words counter actually increases by 1. But if we hit on the wrong word, let's say K-A-T, you see, the player loses 1 life. So let's continue on the game. Again, if you can see here, this is a trap, which is a fire. So if the player hits on it, it loses 1 heart. So what if I lose all hearts? What if the students loses all hearts? Just like any other game, if you lose all your hearts or lives, you'll die and it's game over, obviously. So to try again, just click on this replay button and try again the button. Try the game again. So let's try and finish the game, shall we? Actually, the cherries... Oh no, I fell. Okay, actually for the cherries, the collectible, I didn't actually coded it to actually do anything. So it's just there as a decoration or just to make the game more interesting for the students to actually collect something other than the words. So let's try and avoid the traps. Jump on the platforms. There's dog and dog, so let's choose the right word, D-O-G, dog. So here there should be a moving platform. Okay, fish. Yeah, okay, lion. Oops, almost got me there. Okay, before I finish the game, I want to demonstrate one more feature, which is this. Okay, as you can see, the word counter is 4/5, means we have collected 4 out of 5 words that have been scattered in this level. So let's say the student only managed to get 4 out of 5, they won't be able to finish the game, as you can see. See? The game won't complete. But if the students collected all 5 words, all 5 correct words, and then head to the finish line, the level finishes and the student will be greeted with this screen which says, "Looks like you got it." Yeah, so click on continue to continue with the next team or go back to the home screen. So for every level, there's a different game or level design for each. Oh, sorry, not level. For every team, there's a different level design that I have created. So let's go to Mother Nature.
This is
As you can see, this is another level that I have designed, a different one actually for this particular level. See? Continue. So after finishing each game, you can either choose a next team for you to try to do the exercise for the students to try, or just go back home. So basically, that's the overall concept of the product, where students need to do the exercises and learn which word is spelled correctly to increase their vocabulary. And the reward of this game is actually the reward of this product is when the student gets 100 marks for each exercise that they have done, they are rewarded to play a game. But another thing is, it's not actually a reward, but actually a test for the students. It's another test, another level of test for the students to test their knowledge that they have obtained through the exercise. Because, sorry, let me just quit the game. Because the students need to collect all 5 correct words that they have learned through the exercise. So it's a reward slash test, a fun test, because as the product suggests, it's a fun vocabulary. So I think that is all for this demo, for this video. If you're interested to try out and install the product, I'll be leaving the Google Drive link for you to download the application and try it yourself. So do leave your feedback in the comment section, and anything about regarding the product itself. Also, you can leave down your comments below. So I think that's all from me. Again, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you again. Thank you.